Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can find the tests and what you have to do in order to take it. So first of all, you're going to go to the Canvas homepage and you're going to focus there on the icons. Um, and if you follow there the arrow, you can see that one of the icons is called test. When you click on that, it takes you to the test page. And all the tests that you can take throughout the semester, including the final exam, are there. Now you'll notice that it says test 1, and right next to it, it says, don't take this test until you've completed chapters 1, 2, and 3. Obviously, test 1 includes chapters 1, 2, and 3. So you want to make sure you're done with those, done with the reading, done with the assignments before you take that test. And the same thing for test 2. Test 2 is chapters 4, 6, and 7. And then the final exam are going to include chapters 9, 10, 11, and 13. And you'll see that the due dates are there as well. By the way, you'll see that these the test is in blue there. It's a link. So when you click on it, it will take you to the actual test. And there at the bottom is the button so that you can take the quiz. It says the quiz, but it's the test. Now, these tests are timed. You will get, I believe, 2 tries. This is, a different the one you're seeing there is just from another class. And you do have to take the Respondus Lockdown browser. You have to download that in order to take the test. So if you don't have the Respondus Lockdown browser, when you click on that Take the Quiz, it's going to take you to something that looks something like this, where it says you don't have the Respondus Lockdown browser, which is required, and you'll see that there's a blue link there. When you click on that, it's going to take you to a website where it's going to ask you to download the browser. And it's very simple. You just download it and install it. It's just like any other app. But then when you go to your desktop, instead of clicking on Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, you're going to click on the Lockdown browser. That's going to be the actual browser you're going to use. And when you open that, then you're going to go back into Canvas. You're going to find the test you're taking. And then when you click on Take the Quiz, it will allow you to take the quiz. Now, the Lockdown browser will prevent you from looking at stuff on the internet, looking things up, etc., things like that. And so you want to make sure that you're ready to take that test before you take it. Usually I will post a study guide, and it's a good idea to go over the study guide, probably find all the answers to the study guide, get them all on a page, so that way when it's time for you to take the test, you have that little cheat sheet that can help you, because you're definitely not going to be able to go on the internet to find information. And because it's timed, it's going to make it just a little more difficult on top of that. So make sure that you're prepared before you take the test. Now, sorry, let me go back to where I was. If you have any other questions about the test, you can just go ahead and send me an email. You can find my information by clicking on the banner in the homepage, or you can just go to your inbox and send me an email with the information that you need from me, the questions that you have from me. All right, guys, that's the end of this video, and I will see you around.